All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a cool, quick, short video on how to create buttons that make your guy move left and right. And we're going to do timer movement so that it's smoother and not just blocky, okay, like the old games. So we're going to use timer movement here. So I'm going to go get two buttons, okay, my left button and my right button. And we're going to make those the same as the other ones, 48 by 48. Shapes an oval. Text is none. This guy right here is going to be 48 by 48. And shapes an oval. And text is none. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video. And I'm going to put some images in here from the web. So I am going to go to GIMP real quick. I open this button up in GIMP. I'm going to go right click, image, transform image, and flip horizontally. And now I have the right button. File. Export as. Right arrow.png. Export. And I'm going to load these up into my game. So go back here, MIT. It's going to be your left arrow. Okay, so I'm just going to rename these BTN left, BTN right. Okay, so we're going to go into code. And I'm going to focus on my timer. Here it is. I'm going to drag this down to the bottom. Get a little bit of room down here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make, so you can just see all this, how this works together. I'm going to make two variables. Okay. And this is called button right pressed. And then this one here is going to be button left pressed. Okay, and you're going to set those to false. So when you click the button, BTN left, click, or touchdown. Let's do touchdown. So when I go touchdown, then you're going to set this variable to be true. That means, hey, I just pressed the button. Okay, and you're going to set that to be true. You can just type out true. This guy comes up. Okay. Okay, now what you can do is this guy, button right, would be false. Okay, and then you can duplicate this and go over here, and this is going to be BTN right, and the button left is going to be false, and this button is going to be true. So, okay, so now in here, you can do a control if, and you can say if, so you can say something like logic equal to, okay, if the variable, if BTN left pressed is equal to, and you can just copy and paste one of these trues, okay, then we want to move left. Else if we want to move right. Okay, so you would go to button right. Okay, so how do I move then? You go to your Sprite, image Sprite Galaga Fighter, and you want to do a move to, and now you got to keep in mind that this move to is inside of the timer, which means the timer is at 30 milliseconds, which means happening 33 times per second. So if you would hold this down, it's going to happen 33 times. So if you move it 10 in 1 second, it would move 300 pixels all the way across screen and be too fast. So you got to be careful about how you move this. So if I move left is subtraction. So the left is your Galaga Fighter X. Okay. Minus, and I'm just going to do a real small number in here, like 1 or 2. Okay. And then your Y's, remember how we did the Y's the other day? We did the canvas height. Okay, canvas height minus the height of the sprite. You want to keep it at the bottom of the page. Canvas height minus the Galaga. Are you guys out of here? All right, so I'll finish this video, and you guys are out of here. Have a great night. If you guys need to finish something, try to work on it at home. You guys, I'll post this video here in a few minutes. So this is the height of Galaga minus the height of Galaga. Galaga height. And then down here, you're just going to move to the right. So this is addition. X plus 2. Okay. Hope that works. Hope that works for you. And what that does is when you press it, it will keep going to the left until you hit the other arrow. If you don't want it to be that way, then you could do, when you do the press up, if you don't like that, then you could also do the BTN button left touch up. You could put this down into here. That would be false. When you go back up, it stops moving. But this is kind of like the old Pac-Man game here, and it puts an element of challenge in it. You don't have as much control, and that adds a pretty cool excitement to the game. So keep calm, and I hope this helps.